All hail a beard, it's your boy Big Beard, and we are back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Listen, I know that a lot of you guys out there have heard that love is war, and today your boy is making you war ready. Yes, you heard me correct. We are preparing for war, sorta. Today we're talking about 5 ways to make her obsess over you. Psychological tricks that have been proven to put you in that top position. Now, if you're one of those guys who tune into my videos when we talk about women and how to be more attractive to women and to make women like you, and you say, no, B, I don't care about that, then exit this video now because this is not for you. But if you are one of those guys, you want to hear a little bit more, maybe up your stock just a bit, then stick around. So in the number 5 position, we have one that is an age-old trick, but it still works wonders, and that is to not make yourself available all the time. Listen, if you are readily available all the time on the go, then boom, she knows that she has the power to get you whenever she wants. Say for instance, she hits you up and say, hey, dinner Thursday, you say no, decline, and reschedule for another time. Now, you won't do this all of the time, but in the early stages that you're beginning to shift that power in between the two of you, make sure that you understand, hey, this is a game, okay? And if you are always on the ready, then she will always have you as an option. You want to make sure that you have her thinking, well, maybe I might lose this guy, okay? So make sure that you are not readily available. Make sure you're not Twitter figures or the text message responses. Make sure you're taking some time, think things out a bit, and then send your message. Create a little game, make her wait. Number 4, well, you're already doing this, my guy. 1, because you're tuned in here, and 2, because you are amazing, and this is to simply be better than her ex. The reality is this: women want to be with men who are amazing, men who are daring, men who are not the average guy, because you are special to them, and you would find something there to make you stand out amongst the crowd. And when you are taking care of yourself, making sure that you are properly leveling up, then you put yourself in a position to be more fun, more amazing, and better than her ex. There are a ton of ways that you can convey that these days, and social media is one key thing there. So make sure that you are posting some of your best images out there to make sure that, hey, when you're out there on the market, women tune in and they know that you are it. Number 3, well, that is to be more confident, and we talk about that on this channel all the time. And one of the best ways to do this, especially when you're looking for that psychological approach, is to improve your confidence via compliments using the wonderful world of fragrance. And I know the world of fragrance is a big world out there, but have no fear, today's video sponsors are here to help you out. Yes, my video sponsors today are my good friends over at scentbird.com. Now, if you're not familiar with Scentbird, let me make things super simple for you. They are a fragrance subscription company that give you access to over 600 brands to choose from. In fact, they're like the Netflix of fragrances. Pretty much what you do is you visit their site and you have the ability to scroll through, take a test, and determine what fragrances are going to work best for you. One of the best parts about them, well, they're super simple, they're flexible, and you can end your agreement at any time. Because they are a monthly subscription fragrance company, they send the fragrances directly to your door, and you get to choose from brands like Prada, Creed, Versace, Gucci, Vince Camuto, and the list goes on, like this one here that I have from my good friend Chris Collins. Yes, you heard me, man. This one is from Chris Collins, and this one is Dance Sauvage. So if you're looking for a fragrance that is going to be different than the norm, it's going to have that sensual feel to help her be more attracted to you, to up your stock a bit more, then this is one of those fragrances that you can try for. Again, everything is super simple. It's shipped directly to your door, and it comes in a travel case. You get 8 ml here. That is 8 times more fragrance than you get from a tester inside of the store. So be sure you're putting yourself in a good position. And as I stated, they make the world of fragrance, oh, that smells good. As I stated, they make the world of fragrance super simple to navigate through because everything is shipped directly to your door. There is no contract, so you can end at any time. And once you find the bottle of your choice, that one that's going to be your daily wear, then you can go ahead and get to it. Now I know what you're thinking. Yo, B, why would I do this? Listen, Okay, fragrance can be quite expensive. Trust me, I know. With a fragrance collection valued over $100,000, I know that things get tricky. Fragrance bottles can go from $100 to $500 easy. So you want to make sure that you are choosing a fragrance that works best for you. You want to waste money, and be sure to check out my friends over at scentbird. As I said, man, this boom, 8 ml is ready to go, shipped directly to your door. Now I get it, you're a big dog and you say, you know, B, I need a little bit more than one. That is okay. Why have one when you can have three? You can have up to 3 different fragrances sent to you per month from my good friends over at scentbird, so don't miss out. Plus, if you utilize my code down below, you're gonna save 55% off of your first month, meaning you're gonna get it for $7. $7. Yes, you heard me correct, man. $7 to get you in the door. So make sure that you explore this game of fragrance and make her obsess over you today. Number 2, well, this one is different, but I think it will do wonders, and that is to simply reverse the roles and put her in the friend zone. Yes, you heard me. Set her there, so you there now. Listen, women are not used to being in the friend zone, so if you place her in the friend zone and treat her like a friend, then that undoubtedly will begin to build that attraction. She's gonna wonder like, hey, what is going on? Unless she's not attracted to you at all. But obviously that does happen, man. Friends, if you build that friendship first, then that has a great foundation for a relationship. So that can work in your favor. It's a little bit unconventional, but it does work. So be sure that you implement this into your routine if you got that special someone that you think you may potentially like. Now listen, if the deal is done, don't do this because you're going to set yourself up for a world of hurt. So be sure to do these things in the early stages to begin to get that attraction, and she may be a little bit more open to tell you what she wants. You can do that and the attraction will come and she will be obsessing over you. And the number one thing that you should do to make women obsess over you, to drive her crazy, insane in the membrane, is to take care of yourself. Now, we already talked about you being better than her ex, and I think you already got that down packed, but you also want to make sure that you are well established. Most women don't want to be in a relationship with a guy who cannot hold his own. In fact, it's a two-way street. So you want to make sure that you are a good catch, and if other women want you, then she will likely want you as well. So be sure that you are taking care of yourself physically, mentally, financially, emotionally, and you will be well on your way to creating a wide range of women who want to be with you. Listen, man, I get it. You're that guy, and I'm just trying to help you along the way here. So look your best, feel your best, have your confidence in order, and you shall overcome. All right, listen, man, that's all I have for you today. As always, I'm your boy, Big B. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend that we are back again. And you already know what I need you to do. Hit that link down below. Holla at my friends over at scentbird. But before you go, hit the goddamn